Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by addressing the usual suspects so the fix can proceed. Check for pending Windows updates and restart immediately. This resolves many service conflicts. Make sure you're signed in with an admin account because the security app needs elevated rights. Next, open Task Manager and end any security health service or Windows security processes that are unresponsive. Once done, try reopening Windows Security. If it still fails, keep going. The next steps repair corrupt files and service registration that often block the app. Now you repair underlying system files and app registration to restore functionality. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run sfc/scano to scan and repair protected files. This fixes many integrity issues. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to pull healthy components from the image. That addresses deeper corruption. After those complete, reset the Windows Security App Package registration using the Get Apps package Microsoft. Finish by validating services and isolating user issues so you can return to a working state. Restart your PC and confirm Windows Security opens. Also check that Windows Defender Antivirus Service and Security Center are running. If the problem persists, create a new admin user and test there to determine if the issue is profile-specific. As a fallback, use System Restore or Restore from a known good image. This is the single most reliable rollback if repairs make no difference. Make sure to document any changes you performed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.